I'm so excited to share with you all how we created the mechanics for this beautiful fountain floral arrangement for a recent wedding on Jekyll Island. It's such a beautiful venue and place, and we're always happy to be there. So first and foremost, things to consider with this installation, we actually had to have rain boots to go in the water because it was actually pretty cold, and I've been in that fountain before, and I did not want to have wet pants and socks for this. So we prepared ourselves, and we started with the base of chicken wire. And then into that layered a variety of both faux and fresh flowers. And the reason that we did that is because I was actually not sure of what the weather was going to be like on the day. Sometimes in South Georgia and in Florida, where we work a lot, the weather can either be really hot, really cold, everything in between. And I knew that this would be an installation that was going to be set out for hours, ideally in the water, but not in water picks. And so I wanted to make sure that the flowers that we used, both fresh and faux, would be able to really look beautiful, whether it was in direct sunlight or not, and all of the weather conditions taking into account. So started with the base of the white flowers in a variety of styles. We used faux, hydrangea, magnolia, and then like a hanging wisteria, as well as some faux greenery. Then we went back in and we filled in with fresh magnolia leaves, with fresh blue hydrangea, with fresh mums, stock flower, and kind of that fuchsia color. And then we kind of went in and just filled any gaps. Also on the back end, we wanted to make sure we filled in gaps underneath, like on the inside of the fountain, where you might see any mechanics or chicken wire. So this was a really fun setup. Here's the finished product, and let me know if you have any questions about how we created this in the comments, but can't wait for you to see the rest of this cool installation. We'll be sharing more from this wedding very soon. Bye for now.